god! I can't believe I knocked you both out. It's recording! Recording! How are you doing out there, guys? We're doing good! That's really good. If you take your balls off, I'll open the front door. Don't take it off. You better go take them off before I don't even get the front door. Oh, you're divvies. Oh, you're sick. Come on, you can come in now.